What is RVC and voice cloning? Many of us think that the terms are the same, but they actually have different purposes in their fields. Voice cloning is the method used to duplicate a person's voice, while RVC, retrained voice cloning, is the technique that makes the cloned voice more realistic, natural, and varied. Now we will discuss the top 5 spaces for RVC. Let's start without wasting time. RVC HF2 is one of the best spaces on Hugging Face, converting any cloned voice into something more realistic. Here's the model interface, where you can change your voice. Next, in this train section, you can train voices to use in the model interface. Here's the TTS, text-to-speech panel, where you can turn your voice into text-to-speech in any voice model you want. Get back to the model inference and explore. First, add the voice model here. For now, you may not see any voice models. We need to download them first. Go to your browser and search for voice models. Open the first site, and from this site, you can download voice models for free to use in RVC. First, get back to the RVC platform. Duplicate your RVC workspace by clicking on that, or by clicking on these 3 dots, and then selecting Duplicate the Space. I've already duplicated it, so that's why it shows me this pop-up. Now, for downloading the model, go to Resources. At the top of the panels, you can see the Download Models section. Simply copy the voice model link you need from this site, paste it into this URL box. Just click on Download, and after a few seconds, your model will be downloaded. Check the download status here. Go back to the main interface and refresh it to update the changes. Now you can see the model you downloaded. Select it. Next, choose the index file of the model from here. Now, step forward to import audio. You can simply drag and drop the audio, or just click and import the audio from your files. It also gives you a record option if you want to use it. There's also another way to import the audio. Go to Files, locate the audio folder, open it, click on Contribute, then click on Upload File and choose your audio file. After all that, scroll down and click on Open a Pull Request. After a few seconds, it will automatically upload your audio file. Now go back to the main interface and refresh it. After selecting the voice models and all the other settings, scroll down. Here you can see the option to auto-detect the audio path. If you click here, you will see the same audio file that you added in the audio folder. Simply choose the audio. Now our last step is transpose. If you convert your male audio file into a female model voice, just put -12 here, and if it's female audio to male, simply put 12. Lastly, click on Convert. After a few minutes, it will convert your voice. Before playing this, just listen to our original audio so you can differentiate between them easily. Let's hear this.
Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you about our channel, Tech AI. This channel's dream is to deliver the best and latest news about AI and technology to its viewers as soon as possible.
Now let's hear the RVC edited voice.
Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you about our channel, Tech AI. This channel's dream is to deliver the best and latest news about AI and technology to its viewers as soon as possible.
Let's change the voice model and convert the same audio file again. Simply choose the voice model as we selected earlier, copy the link and download the voice model from RVC Resources. After refreshing, select the new voice model, choose the same audio file and convert it. Let's play this one.
Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you about our channel, Tech AI. This channel's dream is to deliver the best and latest news about AI and technology to its viewers as soon as possible.
Sounds good. For downloading, click on these dots and then Download. You can also download it by clicking on this download icon. Now let's discuss some positive and negative facts of this RVC. Features an intuitive interface that facilitates realistic voice transformations and manual pitch adjustment. It supports easy integration of external voice models, involves downloading models from external sources and frequently refreshing the interface to see updates, which can be cumbersome. Next, RVC Zero is another RVC platform. You can get the link from the description. Get the link and reach this interface. Here you can upload the voice model PTH file, next the index file. If you check this box, you can also paste the link of the voice model. In this, we're going towards uploading the model file. Simply click, locate the files, and upload them. Down there are some settings you can adjust according to your voice. Slightly scroll down, and you will see 2 options, denoise and reverb. I prefer to click on denoise because it cleans your voice's background noise if it has any. After all that, click on Inference. Our voice will be ready in a few seconds. Now, here I can tell you the negative side of this RVC space. When we create a voice, we can hear it accordingly. For that, we have to download it first. For example, if we want to change some settings, we first download it, then hear it, and then change settings and download it again. It can be a little confusing, so I don't prefer to use it. Now download it and see how it's made.
Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you about our channel, Tech AI. This channel's dream is to deliver the best and latest news about AI and technology to its viewers as soon as possible.
Let's change the voice model and create the voice again. Download it again and listen to the new one.
Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you about our channel, Tech AI. This channel's dream is to deliver the best and latest news about AI and technology to its viewers as soon as possible.
In this, you can also convert text into speech. So try it and let me know in the comments about that. Let's move on to our next platform, Advanced RVC Interface. This is the simple interface of this advanced RVC model. If you see, there's a model download option. As with the others, we can download voice models here to convert our original voice. Go to the voice models and copy the link of anyone you want. After downloading, refresh the inference once. Click on Wait and select your downloaded model. It will automatically detect the index file. Scroll down and upload your original audio. After uploading, click on Convert, and within a few seconds, our new voice will be ready. Play this.
Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you about our channel, Tech AI. This channel's dream is to deliver the best and latest news about AI and technology to its viewers as soon as possible.
If it does not sound good, simply download the new voice model and regenerate it. Now at the end, we have to face its positive and negative facts. Advanced RVC offers a simple interface with automatic index file detection and fast voice conversions. It is straightforward to set up and use. It may lack advanced features and flexibility, with manual model management and downloads being somewhat tedious. Step forward to our next RVC space, which is Hugging Face RVC models. This space has its own RVC voice models, as you can see. Simply select your voice model and then upload your audio file and click on Generate. It will create your voice within a few seconds. Play this to see the difference.
Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you about our channel, Tech AI. This channel's dream is to deliver the best and latest news about AI and technology to its viewers as soon as possible.
To download, just click on these three dots and then download. Let's change the voice model and regenerate the voice. At this time, I will select the male model and convert my original voice. As before, within a few seconds, your new voice will be ready. Let's play this one.
Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you about our channel, Tech AI. This channel's dream is to deliver the best and latest news about AI and technology to its viewers as soon as possible.
Simply download it as we discussed. Now, if you move towards the RVC Models News section, you can see some new models that are recently added. At the upper side, these are the main categories, and at the lower are subcategories of these models. Choose any of them that suits your voice. Next, upload your own voice, and then click on Convert. Let's hear this one.
Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you about our channel, Tech AI. This channel's dream is to deliver the best and latest news about AI and technology to its viewers as soon as possible.
For download, click on this icon and simply download it. Now, use the female voice model because I want to show you an important point. Choose any female voice model, and now if you see, we have to put some value to convert male to female voice, and vice versa. I will write 12 because it's male to female. Now convert this one and hope you see the difference.
Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you about our channel, Tech AI. This channel's dream is to deliver the best and latest news about AI and technology to its viewers as soon as possible.
Use all the other models one by one and comment on your favorite model. Now it's time to face some realities. It includes built-in voice models that streamline the conversion process and allow easy switching between models. It simplifies the work. This platform may lack advanced settings and real-time feedback, which can necessitate multiple trials to get the desired results. Our last pick of the topic is Appo. It is also another RVC space on Hugging Face, but we need to install it first to use it. Let's install it first. Go to your browser and search for Hugging Face Appo. Simply open the first link. Next, go to Files and Versions. Then click on Compiled and choose this version of Appo. Install it. After installation, go to the Appo folder and run it through this file. It takes a few minutes to run. Here is the simple interface on your screen. As with all other RVC spaces, we need to download voice models first. Go to Downloads and paste the link of the voice model and download it. Alright, go back to the inference and refresh it. Choose your voice model, upload the original audio, and convert it. Now let's hear the Appo RVC quality.
Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you about our channel, Tech AI. This channel's dream is to deliver the best and latest news about AI and technology to its viewers as soon as possible.
Sounds good. Simply download it by clicking on this icon. Let's discuss its facts. Provides a clean, simple interface with good quality voice conversions and straightforward installation. It manages models effectively. Requires installation of the Appo application, and manual management of voice models can be time-consuming. In conclusion, each RVC platform offers unique advantages, from intuitive interfaces and advanced audio features to streamlined model management. Explore these options to find the best fit for your voice conversion needs, and let us know which platform works best. Thank you.